The HP LaserJet MFP M234dwe is a compact, wireless, black and white, all-in-one laser printer designed for home offices and small workspaces. It focuses on speed, simplicity, and smart connectivity, making everyday printing, scanning, and copying effortless. Fast monochrome printing. This printer delivers up to 30 pages per minute, helping you power through large documents without delays. Its automatic two-sided auto-duplex printing saves time and reduces paper usage, making it efficient for daily office work. Compact and space-saving design. With its small and lightweight build, the LaserJet M234dwe fits almost anywhere, on desks, shelves, or tight office corners, without compromising performance. Reliable wireless connectivity. The printer features dual-band Wi-Fi with self-reset, providing better range and more stable connections. It also supports wired, Ethernet, and wireless networking, allowing multiple users to share the printer easily. Mobile and network-free printing. You can print directly from your smartphone or tablet using Wi-Fi Direct, even without connecting to a local network. This makes printing quick and convenient for mobile users. Easy setup with HP Smart App. Getting started is simple with the HP Smart App, which guides you step by step through setup. The app lets you connect the printer to your network and share it across all your devices with minimal effort. Smart scanning and cloud sharing. Using the HP Smart App, you can scan high-quality documents and instantly share them to Google Drive, Dropbox, email, or cloud storage from virtually anywhere. Perfect for remote work and digital document management. Remote printer management. Stay connected at all times with real-time notifications for printing, scanning, and copying. The app allows you to manage your printer remotely and access documents directly from cloud services on your phone. HP Plus and Instant Ink benefits. The printer includes HP Plus activation and 6 months of bonus HP Instant Ink. After the trial, you can continue the subscription to receive toner automatically when needed, saving up to 50% on toner costs. Overall, the HP LaserJet MFP M234dwe is an excellent choice for users who need fast black and white printing, compact design, and smart mobile features in one reliable device from HP. It's built to simplify everyday printing while keeping costs and space under control.